This video is dedicated to teaching you what is division, not just how to do it. So what is it? If you were to look up in the dictionary, they're going to describe it as the act of repeated addition. When I see a division problem, I like to think about it as me and my friends are walking down the hall and we find some money on the ground, and depending on how many friends you have is going to depend how much money each person gets. So thinking about that, I have a pretty simple division problem. 24 divided by 6, most people could figure it out with multiplication really fast. But if you were to do the subtraction, it would be, how many times can you take 6 away from 24? Well, 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. And 6 minus 6 is 0. It works out evenly. Now, you need to count how many times, not that you see the 6, but how many times do you subtract 6? You subtracted it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That means that 24 divided into 6 is 4. Another way you could do it is visual. Imagine that you and your friends are walking down the hall, and it's you and 5 of your closest friends. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in all, you and 5 friends, and you find $24 on the ground. How much money does each person get? Well, you can just do tallies or X's or dots. I'll do some larger dots because that'll be quick. So you have $24 you're breaking up. Each person gets $1 at a time to make sure it's fair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So each person is going to have $4. $4. So that means that if you had $24 broken up amongst 6 friends, each person is going to have $4. Now I'll do another example, same concept. You have $25 that $20 you find on the ground. You have 5 people who find it. How much money does each person get? You can solve it through repeated subtraction. Say, okay, well, how many times can I take, I'm going to thin this up a little bit, how many times can I take 5 away from 20? That's 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 5 minus 5 is 0. Count up. You're able to subtract it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That means your answer is 4. Or you could have created a visual where you have 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it's 5 people finding money. You have $20 to give away. Change it to a green color because it's dollars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that is what division really is. Think about it as finding money with your friends. And remember, you can do it with repeated subtraction or a visual.